In this video, I'm going to show you how to use digital stickers. Digital stickers are Png files, JPEGs. You can use clip art in here when they're Png files, but those are normally very large files and they will fill up your iPad quick. So it's good to buy digital stickers that are made for digital planning. So just a few minutes ago, I emailed some stickers to myself that I'm going to open. Find it. Let's see, all mail. And it's a zip folder. So what I'm going to do is I open the zip and I'm going to save to my files on my iPad and save. And done. So now I'm going to go to my files on my iPad, and here is the freebie file that I just downloaded. It's a zip file, so I'm going to tap it and it will open a folder. And so in this folder there are the Goodnotes and there's a package of Png stickers. So first I'm going to do the Png. So I'm going to tap it to open this. So here are the Png files that came out of this folder, and here are all the individual Png stickers. So what I'm going to do is drag all of these stickers into Goodnotes into the star feature. So I'm going to swipe up. I'm going to open Goodnotes side by side. Here's my planner. And what I'm going to do is open the edit bar, go over to my star feature, and I am going to swipe all the way over until I see the plus sign. So now I have a collection open here that I can drag all of these stickers over here. Now you could do them one at a time by tapping, holding, and dragging, but an easier way to do it is to tap this little 3 dots, hit select, and then hit select all. That's going to put a check on every single graphic. So now you can tap it and then drag over and have a copy of every single sticker that's over here into your collection. Now you can change the name of this if you want to. I'm just going to call it Sun-Kissed. And I'm going to delete that part. So this sticker kit will be called Sun-Kissed, and then hit create. Or once this finishes creating the collection, I can hit cancel, and I can go ahead and close my Files app. And when I hit the star feature, here is my new Sun-Kissed sticker kit that I just pulled over. Now you can tap and pull stickers out that way. My favorite way to use this is to tap, hit this little split screen icon, and this will open your star feature and your planner side by side. So now I can tap and hold and drag stickers over without closing this panel down, so I don't have to keep tapping and opening. And so that's how you would drag stickers out that way. Now, if you want to use images from online, you could swipe up, open the Safari app right next to it, and I have cats pulled up on Google. I love cats. And let's say I love this sticker. So you can tap and hold, and when you see the plus, you can drop it. And there's a little cat sticker. Now if you want to crop it, tap and hold, hit edit, tap again, hit crop, go to freehand, and I can draw around this cat stickers. Done. So there you go. You can use images off of line, you can use Png files, you can use pictures from your camera roll. So that is how you would use stickers. Now I'm going to show you how to use a Goodnotes sticker booklet. These are the ones that you will normally find on Etsy. I have a lot in my shop, and I also have a freebie site that you can pull a lot of digital sticker kits off of there that come with Goodnotes files and Png files. So I'm going to go back to my Files app, Files, on my iPad. And this one, let's see, Freebie Files. This is the Goodnotes. So I'm going to tap Goodnotes. And since it's Goodnotes, it opens like this. And I'm going to hit this Upload and Open in Goodnotes. I'm going to open as a new document under Stickers. So here is the Goodnotes file that I just opened. And I'm going to swipe up, pull my planner over here. Try it again. It was because I had the star feature open. Goodnotes and digital planner. And here is the sticker page I was playing on. So now in your Goodnotes file, you're going to tap, open up your toolbar, and I like to do, you can use the lasso, make sure you're on images. You can lasso, tap, hold, and drag. You can do it that way. My favorite way to pull stickers over here is choose the image tool, and you can tap on a picture and drag it over. It's a lot more easy, especially if you have stacked up stickers like this on the digital sticker kit. You can tap on the individual stickers that you want to drag over and just pull over one individual sticker. So that is how you would use a Goodnotes sticker book. So that is it. So you can use PNGs, JPEGs, Goodnotes files, clip art, pictures from online. The choices are unlimited. That is why I love digital planning, and I love that if your sticker is too big, you can size it as big or as small as you want to fit the space that you need to fit it in. Digital planning is so much fun, and I hope you have a great time using all of the tools. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email conversation. I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching these video tutorials, and I hope you have a wonderful day.